Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to DIY a green screen or homemade green screen. Make a, I don't know, it's a green screen that literally costs like under $5, like 3 or something. It's not expensive like at all. It works just as good as any other green screen, and it was a little bit of a hassle to get it up, but I'm in a weird situation with my room and stuff, so I'm gonna show you how many all the materials. All I used was 4 pieces of paper, about 50 inches of PVC pipe, which isn't really expensive, or and you don't even have to use PVC pipe. Or, I mean, you could just hang it up, or even tape it, or use thumbtacks and put it against your wall. Really, there's not a lot to it. I'm not gonna edit a lot of stuff behind in the thing, but I will just to show you guys that it works and whatnot. So, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll get right into it. Thank you guys for watching. This is literally there's like not a lot to it like at all really. It's just 4 sheets of green paper taped together with a little PVC pipe and scale, I guess. I mean, there's not a lot to it. My dad helped me actually put it up a little bit because there's not a flat wall behind me like it is like right here. Around there's like around right there. Um, I do I do have more space around, but you're not gonna see that because, well, right up front I'm using uh the video. I'm using the video. I'm not taking a picture. So if you wanted a picture, I guess just zoom in a little bit or crop it out even. I do have I do have different lighting than I did. I use this for my other videos, and like a lamp like this, like yellow light. Yellow light doesn't look good on video, so if you guys can get a light like this, or I don't know what it's called, and I did get a new mic right here. These work pretty good too if you're recording on your phone. I'm doing mobile games right now until I get my Xbox. The green screen, it's perfect. You don't even see the shine on the tape in the video. I know it kind of looks like you can see it. Yeah, like right there. You won't see that when you're using chroma key. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, like, watch another video, comment, whatever. Thank you guys. See. Hello, my dad wanted me to put Bigfoot behind me, so I guess that's what I was gonna do. That's the first thing I'm gonna green screen or whatnot. So here it is, right here. You can see Bigfoot's behind me. Knew he was real all along. Thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Shout out to my dad, I guess, or whatever, for helping me put up the green screen, because I didn't know what to do. I don't know if I was gonna drill a hole in the ceiling and put it up there or tape it up there, which would look a little wacky, but it's whatever. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.